In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create formulas in Google Sheets using AI. If you've ever felt stuck trying to remember spreadsheet formulas, this is a simple and practical way to get help fast. Using an AI chatbot or text generator can save time, reduce errors, and make formula writing much less intimidating, especially if you are working with calculations you don't use every day. To get started, open your chatbot or AI generator of choice. This can be any tool that allows you to type a prompt and receive a written response. The goal here is to use AI as a formula assistant. So once it's open, you'll want to clearly describe what you need your spreadsheet to do. When writing your request, be as detailed as possible about your spreadsheet layout and the type of result you want. The more specific your prompt is, the better the formula will usually be. For example, you can type something like, write a Google Sheets formula. I want to calculate percentage change between cell B2 and C2 and format it gracefully if there is an error. This tells the AI exactly which cells you are using, what calculation you want, and that you also want the formula to handle possible issues cleanly. After the AI generates a response, look carefully at the formula syntax it gives you. Make sure it appears to be written specifically for Google Sheets, since some tools may sometimes return a version meant for another spreadsheet platform. It's also a good idea to quickly check that the cell references match your sheet and that the formula is doing the calculation you asked for. Once you've confirmed the formula looks right, copy the generated formula directly from the AI tool. Be careful to copy only the formula itself, without extra explanation or quotation marks, since Google Sheets needs clean syntax in order to process it correctly. Next, go to your Google Sheets document and paste the formula into the formula bar. After pasting it in, press Enter, so the sheet can apply the formula. If everything was written correctly, you should immediately see the result appear in your selected cell. This method is especially useful when you want help building formulas faster without having to search through documentation or guess at the correct syntax. As you use it more often, you'll also start learning how formulas are structured, which can make you more confident in Sheets over time. Thanks for watching.